welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please subscribe and like if you enjoy my videos. So today I will be retwisting my hair and styling it, and I'll also show you guys how the twist out look at the end. So I hope you reach to the end of my video. Okay, so right now I'm just showing you guys how my locks look. This is like 7 months without a retwist. My last retwist was in April, and I have a lot of new growth, but it don't really show since I have my hair so thick. But right now I'm just showing y'all a piece of my locks. I mean, one lock that I combed out because I'm planning on starting over. In the back right here, I'm showing y'all the locks that I combined. I just put 2 locks together. I'm planning on going thicker with my locks, and that's exactly the size I want them to be. But I stopped at the back because I realized I might as well start over. So we'll see what I decide to do by January. But let's get started with retwisting my hair. So I did half of my hair already, as you guys can see. I'm doing 2-string twists. This is my first time getting this style after a retwist. I always did log barrels or something, and now I felt like my locks was a little long enough for me to do this look. And so I start by moisturizing it with my spray and also oil. You make sure your hair is very damp and kind of wet for this style, so that at the end when you take it out, you can achieve some very, very beautiful curls. So I'm just starting out by parting my hair with my fingers because I can feel my part, and I could feel like if a hair is out of place. That's how I'm able to do my own hair. When people always ask, you literally feel any mistake. I mean, that's how it is for me. I don't have to see it as long as I could feel what I'm doing. But yeah, I'm just going and retwisting it. You guys see how nice and thick those locks I combined? That is how I want my locks to be, and I actually want to have less than 60 locks. That's the goal. But I realized that combining was taking so much time, and I have so much little locks that I have so many of them. It's like I stopped and I was like, yo, at this point I might as well start over. I don't want my parts to look too crazy, and I want my locks to be consistent in the size. I didn't want like different sizes of locks. I just want, yeah, you guys, I feel like I'm really like 90% sure after my birthday I will comb out my locks and have a friend help me comb them out, and starting over with thick locks, just like how you see the back are thick. So a new journey will begin the next year. Excited. I hope you guys are excited too. I'm ready for these new lock updates and my new journey. So you stay tuned for that, you guys. But yes, so I'm just some of my locks that I'm retwisting, y'all. Since some of them were very skinny and some were smaller than the other, I had to put 3 together so that I could have like consistent size, so that my twist could be the same size. I had some of them I had to put 4 locks together so those twists can look like they are the same size and not like very thick and then a very thin ones. You get what I mean? You guys will see it. I will show y'all. Y'all will see me do that.
I thought
Okay, so we have reached the top and I'm doing a bob, a side part, a deep side part. So I already have my part where I want it to be and I laid my edges how I want it to be, and the rest that's left, they're all going on one side. And that is how I'm going along with it. I'm just laying the twist exactly the way I want all of them to lay. Like, you get it? If you want middle part, then you lay the twist where it could be in the middle part. But since I want the side part, I have them laying on the side. You got me in my feelings. You got me in my feelings. You got me in my feelings. You got me in my feelings.
We can take it slow. Stay up till the morning. I'm just taking this moment. We can take it slow. Stay up till the morning. I'm just taking this moment.